Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ServiceNow records using history and audit logs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore ServiceNow records using history and audit logs, begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the record you wish to restore. In the record view, locate the context menu, often represented by a gear icon or three dots. Click on the menu to reveal additional options. Select History or Audit from the drop-down list. You will now see a history of changes made to the record. Review the entries carefully to identify the specific changes you want to revert. Each entry will display a timestamp and details of changes made. Locate the version of the record you wish to restore. Once identified, click on that specific entry to view more details. You may see an option to revert or restore to a previous version. Choose the Revert option if it is available. Confirm your choice to restore the record to the selected version. After restoration, verify that the changes reflect accurately in the record. You can also recheck the history or audit logs to ensure the restoration was successful. If necessary, document the changes made for future reference. This process should effectively restore your ServiceNow record using the history and audit logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.